Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to connect your Cronus Zen. This versatile device offers universal controller compatibility, letting you use your favorite controller across various gaming platforms. It supports major consoles like PlayStation 5, Xbox Series X and S, and Nintendo Switch, as well as Windows PC. Beyond compatibility, the Zen provides access to thousands of free scripts and game packs, offering powerful modifications to elevate your gaming experience. Let's get started with the setup process. First, you'll need to download the Zen Studio software, which is essential for managing your device. Connect your Cronus Zen to your Windows PC using the PROG USB port, typically found on the right side. Once connected, launch Zen Studio and proceed to update your device's firmware to the latest version. This ensures optimal performance and access to all features. Remember to register your Zen to unlock the full potential of the Cronus community and its extensive resources. Now, let's connect your Zen to your gaming platform. For consoles, use the console/PC USB cable to plug the Zen into your console's USB port. Then, connect your primary, licensed controller to the Zen's one USB port for authentication. If you're playing on PC, open Zen Studio and set the output protocol to PC/mobile in the device panel. It's crucial to unpair your controller from the console's Bluetooth before connecting it to the Zen for a smooth setup. With your Zen connected, it's time to load game packs or scripts. In Zen Studio, go to the Programmer tab, where you can browse a vast library. Simply drag and drop your chosen game pack or script into one of the 8 available memory slots. Many game packs allow for in-depth configuration directly through the Zen's built-in OLED screen or within Zen Studio. After loading, always test your controller in-game to ensure all modifications and settings are functioning as intended.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.